Welcome to your 30-minute fat-burning cardio session. No equipment, no excuses. We're chasing 5,000 steps today. Let's move.
Feel that heat? That's your body waking up. Push past comfort. That's where results live.
Push past comfort. That's where results live.
Stay light on your feet. Every step counts. Every rep matters. Heat, 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 burn it up!
Drop low, power up. Explode, land soft. Explode, land soft. Explode, land soft.
Core tight, move fast. Halfway there, 2,500 steps down. Power through.
Quick, sharp, controlled.
Fight for your goals.
Turn up the heat. Engage that core. You're almost there. Give me everything!
Heat, heat, heat!
Slow it down. Stretch it out. Reset your body. Yeah. 5,000 steps. You did that.
Consistency wins. Results start today. Results start today.